Well, I guess this will be camp for tonight. What a good spot I got. It's easy to get a good camp spot this time of year. That's a nice view out the back end of your truck to wake up to tomorrow. Anyway, I thought I would show you the camp setup I got now for storage. Now that it's all done. Here, got plenty of storage for Jetboil and pots and pans and cooking utensils, battery packs. Down below, I've got about 10 bottles of propane down in here. Around the wheel well, works out real well. Got a first aid kit. Up here's my backpack. Got some storage. Got some coffee and kitchen stuff. Down below here, I've got some tools. Got the jackery all set up, ready to go. Just reach over from the bed, touch that, and it'll be ready to go. Thought I'd show you what I use for power when camping. It's a Jackery 1000 Explorer. It works very, very well for power outages, or it's excellent for camping. It's a 1000 watt unit, a 2000 watt surge. It's got two USB-C ports, two USB ports, and one 12 volt lighter port. You can plug in accessories there. It works so well, you just turn it on and off. It's got an input where you can plug in solar panels. I've got two solar panels that I use with this to charge it up when you're out and don't have access to electricity, or you can charge it from your vehicle as well. It has three 110 volt plugs. You can run off, we run a coffee pot off of it, or just anything. We run a refrigerator off of it. You can run your house refrigerator for a few days on it. We run a little camping refrigerator off of that for 2 or 3 days with no problem. So just a great little unit to use. I'm not sponsored by them, but just that's something that we use and really like it for camping. nice sunset tonight. I'll get a campfire going after a while. Got some monster firewood for later. This light ready to go that I got for Christmas. Sweet. Solar powered. Very cool. That is hot. Five minutes and we're ready to eat. Another successful night truck bed camping. I'm gonna get packed up and get headed out and enjoy the rest of the day. And I'll see you the next time we get out of the house.